You see, these guys are just too behaved and remember. Some could be cruel. Some even keep them pets. Dodos are one of the extinct species. Here, I'll give you some species. Eagles, swans, vultures, sparrow are birds, but bats are not birds. Yeah, some kids think they are birds. Fun fact, some can't fly. Like chickens, peacocks and our extinct god, the dodo. And ostriches are the biggest birds on our entire earth. Beware of them, they are also dangerous. Now, shall we move on to the animals? Me? Well, I think we should. So, let's go. Again, there are many species, like wild animals, pet animals, domestic animals and water animals. Carnivores, omnivores, herbivores and scavengers. Cats, the meows everywhere, their tiny paws everywhere. They are very cute. Dogs, barks everywhere in loyalty. These all are made by God, even us. Very beautiful, isn't it? Oceans everywhere and nature everywhere. Okay, now back to animals. And I also hope that you enjoy this video. Some animals are cruel like the birds. Here are some of the cruel ones. Tigers, lions, jaguars, leopards are some of the cruel ones. Do you know what is the fastest animal on planet Earth? The fastest animal on Earth is the cheetah. I think this is it. So, I want you to have a nice future. And don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. Because if you do, it will mean a lot to me. I have been doing great. How about you? Type in the comments. Okay. Have a great day. Goodbye everyone and subscribers.